Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a text behind an object in your videos. To begin, hold Alt and drag your clip onto layer 3 to create a duplicate. Next, open the Effects panel and navigate to the Titles section. Find the Text Plus feature, then drag and place it onto layer 2 in the timeline. Next, we need to create a mask. Select the top clip and head over to the Color page. Now go to the Windows section and select the Curve tool. Then I'm going to quickly draw a mask around the bridge. Take your time to adjust the points for a clean and accurate mask. Next, head over to the Tracker panel and click Track Forward and Reverse to make sure the mask follows the movement of the object smoothly. Now go to the Node Editor, right-click, and select Add Alpha Output. Then connect the blue output from the node to the blue alpha input to apply the mask. Now let's head back to the Edit page. Now select the Text Plus layer and go to the Inspector panel. First, I'm going to change the font, adjust the color, and increase the size to make the text stand out better. I'm going to rename the text and then head over to the Transform panel to adjust its position. And there you have it, a clean and professional text behind object effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials.